Good evening. We are on our way out of, I shouldn't say we're on our way out of Florida. Well, we are, okay. We've left my sister's, got some good visiting in, and we're packed up and we're headed out the Panhandle towards Tallahassee this evening. Look, notice anything different? What happened to that big bushy beard, right? I might have had a little accident with stood too close to a razor. That's what happened. That's what happened there. And it's a little messed up. It gets, you know, I cut it a little bit too short. Then there's just patches that are, you know, black and gray. Then, and where it's gray, it looks bald. You know, it just looks like crap when I go to, which I did. And I thought, you know what? I haven't been clean shaven in over 4 years. Bella's never seen me without facial hair. I might just we'll probably know by the end of this video. We may know shortly. I just might do it. I just might go back to the clean shaven look for a while. Last time I was clean shaven was right before I started the channel. Matter of fact, I think my first video I uploaded and published was I think I was just getting a little bit of scruff. Yeah, something happening up here. We got there's a car way over on the left. You know, usually when there's this many cop cars, somebody thought they was gonna be a wise guy and get away and run from the police. That's what usually attracts 4, 5. I think there was 5 cars altogether. All right, we're gonna get up to Tallahassee and then we're gonna head over down towards Panama City probably. Maybe tomorrow sometime, but for now we're gonna go up to Tallahassee. I gotta pick something up, and there's a Cracker Barrel up there. We're just gonna keep it easy and simple here this evening. Too late in the day to, well, you know me, I haven't had much luck in finding camping in Florida. I know there's a lot of places. I know there are places, and I know some people have, you know, pointed those out to me, and I have taken down some notes. So I will look into those further maybe when I'm back through Florida. Next time around, I am going to better research, do my homework better. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to get out here. Bella. Bella. Hey, psst. Bella. Bella, Bella. Bella, 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 Bella. Bella. I think we finally found a camping spot that we were at, I don't know, a year or 2 ago, and it doesn't have utilities, so, and that's okay, but I'm pretty sure where we're at now that it's going to be available. That's my hopes. And yes, I've done it. I found the razor, and ready for this? No. There you have it, clean shaven Dave. And I don't remember having these before. They're like jowls. My dad, they're hereditary. My dad had them. I don't know. And actually, you know, I just think it shows my fat face. And I am. I am just way overweight. And this last decade's been hard on me. I don't know what happened, but I do need to lose some weight. So I don't know. Maybe they'll go away a little bit. So I still haven't seen a barber. He comes up from time to time, you know, and you get a haircut. Here's the thing, I'm barber phobic. Barber phobia. It's you know, this day and age where mask up. You know, barber's one of those that's comes in contact with how many people every day. and every week, and he comes in contact with a lot of people that who knows where they've been and who knows what's up with that. And I just stay away from like those type of service people that are in contact with a lot of others. Who knows, if a barber sees a dozen people a day or better, for the week, that's in close contact with. There's no social distancing with your barber, nor him with other people. So it's just one of them things. I'll just manage. I just figure it out. I just manage my hair as best I can, and who knows, maybe one of these days I'll run into somebody that just knows how to cut hair, but they don't do it professionally. I might, but just not too worried about it. Anyway, we're gonna head on, stop and get some gas and go out to this campground out the road, and fingers crossed. See, fingers crossed this time. All right, we'll get going. All right, you ready to go? You ready to go? Oh, and there's a dog up here. Somebody's taking a break over there in the shade, but it's a big dog. But it is on a leash or a chain. There he goes. He's gonna start barking at us. Come on, Bella. He's okay. Bella, Bella, Bella. All right. I don't know if you can see it or not, that sign. This is Lake Talquin, I believe it is pronounced. Lake Talquin State Forest. This is the Joe Budd Wildlife Management Area, and we're going to High Bluff Campground. And let's see, there's a public fishing pier out here. So yeah, 2.6 miles.
Continue on High Bluff Landing Road for 3 miles.
Well, GPS, they'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll check back in a second. All right, we're almost here, and the pavement ended and turned into this dirt road for most of that. All of that 2.6 for 3 miles, but it's pretty smooth. It's easy getting back here, so easy access for the bounder. Although there's something about the campground that well, by online you wouldn't think the bounder would fit, but I don't know how they measure their spots. Well, I have a pretty good idea. Well, the bounder fits down here, and I know it. But online they say like there's no spots. They're rated at 20 or 25 feet, but there's something they don't account for, which we'll get to in a minute. No, I'm not going to shrink the boundary. And I think this is one of the few places that that there's fewer and fewer places that have the the honor system, where you put your money in the envelope and stick it in the box. We'll see if this is well, first we'll see if it's open.
600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
And then we'll see if it's still a drop of money in the envelope sort of thing. Yes, I like this place. Right now I only see one tent.
Your destination is on the left.
High Bluff Recreational Area. Alright. Oh, it has changed. Alright. It has changed. It says have a reservation. Proceed to your reserved campsite. Or to get a campsite, go to Florida State Forest, reserveamerica.com. Alright, well, I'm going to pull in here. And I know I have cell service here, so we'll, I'll get that taken care of. Just the one tent there, nobody else here, so it has changed. I'll have to get online, and I haven't picked a spot for sure yet. We're over there. I think that's gonna work, but since there's a big selection, I might take a look around. But I'll show you what I mean by about the measuring thing. Now this part of the park up here, there was some storm damage. I remember from last year still, there's this big pile of brush. They've been cleaning this up. So some of the sites on this end got damaged. I know there was a couple fell over there rolling around. Not necessarily something dead. Sometimes she just loves to do that, like a back scratch. But yeah, we're over in there. And the thing about these sites is, a lot of them, you know, they have these railroad posts. Let's get over here. Maybe I can see a little bit better. I think they just measure like from the front, you know, this area they have boxed in. Well, with an RV, you know, you can back in, back your back wheels up to this other post, this rear thing here, but and let all that overhang, you know, come back here some. There's nothing in anybody's way but your own. You can still get around the back of it and over here to the picnic table and fire pit. Yeah, somebody's left a little bit of a mess here. Yeah, bad, bad, bad. Well, you know, people shouldn't do that to begin with, but get out of that. But sometimes, you know, the rangers need to come around a little bit more often, or have a camp host. So, you know, go around and tidy up campsites whenever, if need be, when people leave. So, yeah, same here. That can back the back wheels right up to that, and then you have room for some overhang, and there's room to get past that tree. But yeah, I mean, most of the spots are all like that. That's why they measure so small online. That well, they have a new online system, so I'll have to look and see if I doubt they changed the measurements. Probably just a way of reserving and paying. Moving ahead, I'm suddenly I have a higher interest on getting out to the southwest. I was really going to take my time getting out there, but I think I want to pick up the pace and get out there sooner rather than later. So sometime mentioned in the comments, you know, people say, oh, we were right here or right there. I wish we would have known, you know, you were going to be somewhere. We'd like to, you know, meet up for a little bit. Well, there might be a chance of that. Usually I've moved on by the time that video comes out, so I'm not even in the area anymore. But in a way, because I don't plan, I just go with the wind. I rarely do I know I'm going to be somewhere on a certain date. Well, I do here for a little bit, and we're headed toward Panama City, Florida. It's in the Panhandle, right on the coast, on the Gulf Coast. I ordered some things on Amazon. I'm having them delivered to a Amazon locker in Panama City. So, and that's on the 23rd. So, and actually I'll probably be there a day early. Probably be in Panama City area for the 22nd and the 23rd. So if you happen to be in that area and you want to contact me and maybe get together and just hang out for a bit, email me at davesrvlife@gmail.com, and I can communicate that way to start with. So yeah, Panama City, the 22nd and 23rd is my plan. And then after that, anything goes after the 23rd. I might just start beelining it for Arizona, or I might still kind of pace and do some things, but we'll see what happens. Bella, Bella. Come on, this way. Come on, this way. You know, I had just cleaned that windshield before I left Angeles. And of course, you get to traveling. You know, time you get 100 miles or so in, it don't take long. Plenty of bugs in Florida. Oh well, enough to do that anyhow. So that's the plan. And probably what I'll do while we're staying here is, you know, we're right on the water here, so I'll probably go out to the fishing pier and the boat launch and maybe do some recording for the next video before we leave for Panama City. So, but for now, that's it. I'll see you next time.